The 2024 Toyota Tacoma key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This video will guide you through replacing it yourself, saving time and money. Replacing the battery is essential for maintaining your keyless entry system. We'll cover the tools needed, step-by-step instructions, and important tips to ensure a successful replacement. The key fob design is similar to previous models with minor durability enhancements. The key fob communicates with your Tacoma via radio frequency signals. These RF waves allow wireless interaction between the fob and vehicle. The CR2032 battery powers the RF module, operating at 3 volts. This coin cell battery provides the energy needed for signal transmission. A low battery can cause the fob to have reduced range or stop working entirely. This affects keyless entry and remote functions. The integrated battery monitoring system in the 2024 Tacoma's infotainment will alert drivers when the fob battery is low. This helps prevent unexpected failures. Ensure the replacement battery is a genuine CR2032 to meet Toyota's specifications. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. To avoid scratches, use a plastic pry tool. Work in a static-free environment to protect the fob's electronics. Handle the fob with dry hands, as moisture exposure can void warranties. Although rare, if reprogramming is needed, disconnect the vehicle's battery before beginning. Locate the seam on the back of the key fob, near the key blade. This is where the two halves of the fob meet and where you'll begin the opening process. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Use a plastic pry tool, if available, to avoid scratches on the plastic housing. Apply even pressure to pry open the cover. Start at one end and work your way around to distribute the force evenly. Be careful not to crack the plastic housing. The fob is designed to be durable, but excessive force can cause damage. Work slowly and methodically around the perimeter of the fob until the cover releases. Take your time to ensure a clean separation. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up and matches the marking inside the fob. Make sure the battery is securely seated in its compartment. Now snap the key fob cover back on securely. Make sure all edges are aligned and the cover is firmly closed to prevent any gaps that could allow moisture in. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Tacoma remotely. Press the panic button to confirm it's functioning correctly. If the vehicle doesn't recognize the fob, you may need to sync it using the Tacoma's infotainment system. Reversed battery polarity can cause immediate failure. Always double-check the battery orientation before closing the fob. If the fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, consult your Tacoma's owner's manual for resynchronization instructions. A 2025 recall addressed faulty fob seals that allowed moisture in, leading to battery drain. Inspect the seals if you experience frequent battery issues. For best results, use high-quality lithium batteries from Duracell or Panasonic. Looking ahead, automotive key fobs are evolving with rechargeable batteries and smartphone app integration. Toyota has hinted at USB rechargeable fobs for future Tacomas, reducing the need for disposable batteries. Digital keyless entry through apps like Toyota's MyT could eventually decrease reliance on physical fobs entirely. Security enhancements and recyclable components are becoming important focuses, with Toyota aiming for 100% recyclable key fobs by 2030. To stay informed about these advancements, regularly check Toyota's official website for the latest updates.